Your digital cameras are hiding 24 karat gold bonding wires. These digital cameras can be found in anything from cell phones, tablets, nowadays anything. So today we're going to go over what to look for. You're going to want to like and save and favorite this video so these videos can start popping up more in your For You page. Alright, we got two different types. We got the ones that just pop off very easy, and the one we're looking at in the beginning where you can see the gold bonding wires. Those are really nice. Now you have these as well. Some of these are for the most part they're gold plated on these items, but the older ones you're going to find nice, still gold plated, but 24 karat. So these are all gold plated. Over here, the bonding wires that are attached to the lens, the glass part, is 24 karat, but the glass part itself, there's no gold inside the glass part. And I'll explain more about that later as we go on. So like I said, these ones right here, you just peel off the back end and we got the gold in the inside. Really nice little piece. Sometimes it's gold on the back as well, as you can see for these. And then like I said, with these you just pop them off of the back. I'll show you right now how to pop it off the back and also the difference in between both of them. Alright, so these are the bulky plated ones I was telling you about. We're gonna go ahead and split it right here at the board where it's bulky, and then once we get the board off you can just peel off the back, or you can just honestly just start peeling off the back from here if you don't want to pop off the top. So like I said, let's just go ahead and pop this one off. Alright, and just like that, popped off. Alright, and you don't see the bonding wires on this one. Now you could either try, which you're probably gonna mess it up. It's pretty tough. Best bet is just to start peeling at it. Peel at it and get the gold plating to come off. You can already see the gold that's back there. Alright, and that is just like this right here. So you just practically peel those ones off. And they're not junk. Everything's worth something. You just got to know what you're looking for. Okay, so let's go ahead to the next one. Alright, now on this one we'll do a little bit bigger one. It doesn't really matter the size. It's all about the board. So as you can see, this one's motherboard is actually pretty tiny compared to the last one. The last one was actually thick and indestructible. So these ones with the boards are actually the ones with the 24 karat. So we'll just go up against the same thing like we did last. Go up against the board and try to separate that. Let's see if this will even actually fit inside this. Yeah, it will. So let's go ahead and split that down like so, and there we go. There's the gold. Okay, now that right there is the 24 karat gold bonding wires right there. You see that? Look at them bonding wires. Okay, so that's that. All the gold, that little dot right there, that's gold plated. There's no gold inside the lens, and also there is no gold inside the top part as well, the focusing part. So yeah, there's no gold inside those either. But look at that. Just gotta know what you're looking for. So a lot of times if you try to throw these inside solution and you don't get all the stainless steel off the back, what can happen is the stainless can cause the solution to start precipitating out like the coppers that go in, and then the coppers that go in will start to coat your gold, making it look like it's copper, but that's just the solution doing its thing. You know, you got it. When you recover the gold off of these boards, you want to make sure you have no stainless on the back, or else you would get copper coated on your gold, and you're gonna think, oh, it's gold plated. It's not gold plated. You just don't know what you're doing. All right, now we're just gonna go ahead and read off of this. Are the gold bonding wires in a camera lens 24 karat? Yes, the microscopical gold bonding wires used inside electronic sensors of cameras are typically 99% gold. Okay, and then also what you want to pay attention to, the important with people, because a lot of people are using Google instead of actually knowing what their facts are. So it is important to know that the actual optical camera lens The glass element does not contain gold bonding wires. Okay, so a lot of people don't actually know what that is. So let's go ahead over here. This is that part I was telling you, the focus part that does not have gold. So if you're gonna research or Google or whatever it is you're doing, make sure you're doing your research right.